You're trying to figure out how to break down big projects into actionable steps. And by the end of this quick guide, you'll know the exact method I use after testing all the most popular project management tools out there. Stick with me, because I'm also sharing a free trial link for the software I personally recommend, and it's exclusive to viewers of this channel. Here's how to take that overwhelming project and turn it into a clear, step-by-step plan you can actually finish. Start with the end goal. What does done look like? Be specific. If you can't describe the finished result in one sentence, it's too vague. Once you have defined the destination, reverse engineer the journey. Ask yourself what absolutely has to happen first. Then, what comes after that? Instead of writing huge to-do items like launch product or build website, break them down into the smallest possible tasks. Think write homepage headline, connect domain, or record welcome video. If a task still feels vague, break it down again. Now group those microtasks into logical phases. For example, phase 1 could be research, phase 2 might be setup, phase 3 is execution, and so on. This creates momentum. Finishing one phase gives you a sense of progress and keeps motivation high. Prioritize ruthlessly. Not every task matters equally. Use the 80-20 rule. Which 20% of your tasks will move the needle 80% of the way? Focus there first. Once you have your steps, assign deadlines, even if they're self-imposed. Big projects die without time pressure. Be realistic, but don't leave it open-ended. You're aiming for action, not perfection. Now, this is where the software we'll be using comes in. It lets you visually map out your entire project, break it into tasks and subtasks, drag and drop deadlines, and see your progress in real time. I've tried pretty much everything, and this one's the most intuitive for breaking down big projects fast. There's a free trial just for my viewers. Links in the description below if you want to follow along or try it for your own project. One quick tip. Add a next action label to every task. Don't let anything sit as a vague item. Always make sure the very next step is clear, whether it's a phone call, a Google search, or opening a new doc. That clarity is what moves you forward. And if you're working with others, assign owners to every task. One owner, not 3. Shared responsibility? No responsibility. Here's the key takeaway. Big projects aren't hard because they're big. They're hard because they're unclear. Clarity turns chaos into confidence. Let's quickly recap. 1. Define your end goal clearly. 2. Reverse engineer the steps to get there. 3. Break everything into microtasks. 4. Group those tasks into phases. 5. Prioritize the ones that matter most. 6. Set deadlines. 7. Use the software in the description to track it all visually. 8. Label every task with a clear next action. 9. Assign a single owner per task. Don't forget. The software we're using is free to try, and the link in the description is exclusive to my viewers. If you're serious about actually finishing your project, it's worth checking out. That's it. Now go break that big project down and make real progress.